Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. You need level 20, 5 tokens, 250 coins, and the key item. This unlocks the only acquisition path. Once confirmed, travel to map grid 4B and approach the marked spawn node. Interact once to trigger the event. Do this now because skipping any requirement locks progress. You'll save time by organizing inventory and queuing travel. Make sure to activate any passive boosts before engaging the node, since they increase spawn chance and reduce resource cost. Once you're at the node, use the key item to initiate the Dog Panda ritual. This is the critical middle sequence. You'll face a 3-wave minute challenge, prioritize targets that interrupt the spawn, and focus crowd control then single target burst. Keep your health above 60% and rotate potions so you don't get stalled, because dying forces a full reset. While fighting, conserve 1 token for the final capture mechanic. Doing these steps in order ensures the spawn persists long enough to complete capture. You finish by spending the reserved token to open the capture window. Timing is strict, so watch the animation and use the capture item within 10 seconds. After a successful capture, verify the Dog Panda appears in your stable and label it to avoid accidental sale. If the capture fails or the spawn disappears, relog to reset client memory, re-verify level and inventory. Then repeat the exact ritual. This troubleshooting step resolves most desyncs and requirement glitches that block the only way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.